How is she there? Yo, Tonian! Open another dance class, something that she get ready for going on. Yo, Tonian!
Good morning, Rex. Ready for your breakfast?
Oh, yeah, look after breakfast.
Yes, Rex.
Do the right thing.
You want coffee or tea?
Coffee. But wait, hold on there. Where you get money from to look after breakfast?
The money we must save out of the stipend when we get from the dance class.
You sure?
Yes, Rex.
You know no money give you money.
No, Rex.
Oh. See, you have clothes lay out on the bed. How where you go?
I'm going to do my interview for your work.
What? You go look work? How where you go look work?
Somebody come for your store work down at town. So I'm telling them some I come in today.
Ah, that sounds good. Yeah. Thanks. Kawa, watch your style. Watch out. We have some plans for this big thing.
Like what?
See the bar down the road?
You mean the second year we always go gamble?
Hey, watch it, you know. Down there, so I make all of the money here.
Who wouldn't know that, Rex? You spend all night back down there, so.
Well, he might lease it out. I better tell him, say, want it.
Lease it out? For how much?
As I mean, 50k a month.
That sounds reasonable. So where you get the money from?
That's why I'm glad how you get a work. Because more you save up the money there. So I can flip it.
So hold on there. You want me to save my money when I get from my paycheck for you to go spend on a bar?
Hold on there. Oh man. You know you have no vision. So when me run off the place there, you don't have to work again. You see me? Yo, how you laugh at? Laugh after me? Eh?
No, Rex. Dating. Me I go get ready because me no want it.
The number no. No, no egg. Yo, Tony, I just know say this a go work. Remember say me have a good business heading now. Just when me get down at that party, a big y'all come down there to see me. So you know alone spending a go on. When me take over that.
Hello?
Yes, Tony.
May I come get ready now here?
Alright.
Alright.